Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to make this work. Uh, I'm going to leave a link for everything you need in the description of the video. So don't worry about like the links on here and everything, okay? So the first thing is first. You need to download the file here, which I will leave a link for, so don't worry. Then you're gonna save your game. Alright. Then you're gonna turn your DS off. Alright, now take the SD card out, and of course I have to do this with one hand. Now you can use a laptop or a desktop, whichever you have. You just have to have a SD card reader. So give me one sec, guys. Make sure that's in. And alright, so now you're gonna open the folder. This should pop up if you're using Windows, and you're gonna hit Open Folder to view files. Now, when you open this up, these three files right here that say code and injection debug and Pokemon.ekx will not be there. So I'm gonna leave this here though for now. Now, the first link that you're gonna download, you're gonna get this thing here called the code. When you get the code, you're gonna make sure you have the thing open for the SD card so it shows what's in your SD card. Take the code and move it into the SD card. Then you need to download PK Hex, which I'll leave a link for as well. So we're gonna open that up. And there we go. And there's now I was having the problem where I couldn't use the Pokemon that got into my game on BattleSpot or Trade It because it wasn't completely legal. So someone actually posted a file on one of the groups that I'm in where it's pretty much a format where it's pretty much legal. You just have to change the Pokemon and the moves. So that's right here for me. So I'm gonna open that up in PK Hex, and I think the Pokemon they did was Lopunny. Yeah. So you can change this around. All right, get close. There's a species you can change. Oh, let me focus. All right. There's a species you can change, which is pretty simple. They have literally everything. I'm gonna leave it at Lopunny. If you want to make it shiny, you click this box right here, and you see it gets a little shiny icon up there. If you want a male or female, which is a little simple right here, just have to keep clicking reroll. Or not. Okay, I guess Lopunny has to be female in this thing for whatever reason. If you want a nickname, you can change your nickname. Just make sure you click the box. Experience, level, nature, held item, friendship. I just leave there. Don't change anything. Like, if you don't know what to do, like, obviously Lopunny doesn't have a different form aside from its Mega Evolution form, but just leave it at that. If you put it to the Mega Evolved form, it's not going to work. The ability, language, all this is set. Don't worry about this. The country and everything. Canada, Miko, fuck you. This is the important part. Do not touch anything here except for the ball. If you want it in a different ball, you can change that. Otherwise, do not change this. You can go to stats. You can change up the stats. So you can change the IVs, the EVs. This is already set because this is the format that it came in, but you can change this up if you need a different HP or like it's a different Pokemon, so you need to run different EVs or something. Attacks you can change, and you can also make it where the relearn moves. So in case you wanted to relearn any of the moves like Fire Punch, Thunder Punch that doesn't have already, like if you go to the mover learn and use a heart scale, you can relearn them. And then OT and miscellaneous. I don't really touch any of this either. I just like to change it to my name. Alright, that's that. And then we're going to hit File, Save As. And you're going to go down to the SD card. This is where it gets tricky. You're going to want to make it save file type as all files. And this is already here, so I'm actually going to delete this. And another important thing, sometimes when you go to do this again, the injection debug thing will be there. If you ever see that, you want to delete it, because for whatever reason it comes up there, and then when it's there it doesn't work. So I got rid of that too. So the code should be there, and now when you're saving the Pokemon, you want to name it as Pokemon. Oh, that's Pokemon. Pokemon.ekx. Once you do that, make sure it's EKX. If it's any other kind of file, it's not going to work. So hit save. And alright, now we're going to take the SD card back out. And give me 1 sec, guys. Alright, put the SD card back in. Alright, so now what you're going to do is you're going to start up the game. And that light is going to get annoying. Alright, next thing you're going to do is check your boxes. Make sure there is nothing in the top left slot of the box 1, right there. Make sure there's nothing there. Now, you're going to exit out of your boxes. Hit the home button. And do not close the game. Leave it open. Then you're going to hit the browser. Open that up. Now, there's going to be the third link. It's going to be the third or the fourth link. When you get to this part, there's going to be a web page you need to go to. Before you go to the web page, you should go to Settings, right there. Scroll down. And clear your history and delete cookies. So once you do that, you're set. Now, I already have the website bookmarked. So that once you use the website the first time, bookmark it so it makes it easier to go back to. Hit the bookmark. Have it right there. And now this will come up. It says load code loading. And on the top screen it says fail to load part of this page. And then you're going to get this error message. You're going to hit OK. And reopen the game. And in the first box, it's not there. Alright, so this is what I did before. I had a problem last time. So what I did is I just tried it again. When I had this problem last time, I literally just tried it again and it worked again. Or it worked the second time around, so. This is what they mean when it doesn't work all the time, where the first time you try it, the Pokemon probably sometimes doesn't appear. But then if you try it a second time, or maybe a third time, sometimes it works. So we got the error message again. Resume. And you can see it worked. You got Fake Out, Return, Ice Punch, High Jump Kick. It's got the Pentagon, it's shiny. It says OT, it's in the Love Ball, I think it is. So, there's the Crawdaunt I made. I used it in Battle Spot, so it worked out. I was able to use it in Battle Spot, so I'll show you guys real quick. Actually, you know what? That would take a while, so... Alright, yep, that's pretty much it.